Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can purchase or just get the Dave the Diver collab items basically. So to get it, you're going to go to the event page. Whoops. Can I leave this, please? Thank you. Okay. Go purchase here, and this is where you are able to get the items. Again, you will need diving valves, which I made in a previous video on how you can get that. It's actually super easy. You can exchange it using Moonlight Crystals, but I suggest you just saving it because this one is obtainable by just grinding, and I think it is kind of easy. I mean, I already have the air tank, as you can see here. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the items. So we have the air tank here, the helmet, we have Bonchos, is that how you pronounce his name? Jumpsuit, Bandana, Sushi Shop Light Box, Sushi Shop Light Box, that was hard to say. Cargo box, Dave the Diver ornament, and some recipes. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.